I haven't, let me turn on the TV. I haven't worked with Asteria hair in so long. But boy, do I miss them, y'all. Bro, first of all, I'm gonna say this wig is about 22 inches. Everything will be down below. But y'all, they came in clutch with this crimped wig. I've been wanting to do this crimp look for so long. Like, I have a crimp iron and everything. But do y'all know how long crimping takes? It takes hours. And yeah, I was never jacking it. So when they offered me this already crimped wig, y'all, I fell in love. Off rip, and I didn't even see the wig yet, and I already fell in love. I already knew this wig was about to hit different, and it definitely did. Now, another thing with the baby hairs. Y'all know I usually do like the natural looking, thin, you know, baby hair. But I was like, with this look, I gotta try the thick baby hair look. Like, you know, when it's tight full, and I think I'm jacking this full baby hair look. Like, I'm loving the full baby hair. I'm loving the crimped wig. This wig, I can honestly say, is a beginner-friendly wig. A lot of people be getting at me in the comments like, you say it's beginner-friendly, but you do all this extra stuff. Because I choose to do all the extra stuff. You don't have to. All you gotta do is put the wig on and go about your day. I do all the extra stuff because I can, and I know how to. Again, when I say beginner-friendly, I mean like you can throw in the wig, cut the lace, do baby hair if you want to, and go about your day. I mean, I feel like everybody should know how to straighten their hair. It's not hard at all. But when I say this is beginner-friendly, their hair is already styled for you. All you gotta do is cut your lace, add baby hair if you want, and go about your day. Like the way I had the wig in the beginning, I didn't have to add baby hair, but I wanted to because I feel like if I don't have baby hair, something just off in my whole face. It just throws it off. So yeah, I had to add baby hair. But this is honestly a beginner friendly wig. I can honestly say it's already styled for you. I didn't really have to do much plucking, but you already know I went in it in my own little plucking or whatever. But yeah, I love this hair, y'all. Asteria hair really came in clutch, y'all. Like, y'all gonna see in the video I was mad hype at the end. Like, they really came in clutch with this wig. I already knew it was gonna give what it was supposed to give, y'all, when they offered me this wig. Y'all, I'm in love. I'm jacking this wig OD, like, and the parting space, this ain't no 6 inches. This is more like 8 inches. Like, I love long parts, y'all. I said this in the last video. Like, I love long parts. There's just something about long parts. Like, even when my natural hair is out, I love a long part. But y'all, this hair is really giving what it's supposed to give, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Asteria always been one of my top companies, and they just, I feel like they just threw themselves to #1 just now with this wig. No funny. Like, they threw themselves to #1 with this wig, y'all. But all the hair details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.